Welcome back to New Week. Hopefully, you guys had a great weekend. Today, we're going to talk about some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some of the things that I'm going to be doing this week. So, let's get started. Now, last week I made a video covering basically everything that I think you need to know about how to split a sandwich board. Ever since the iPhone 10 and a lot of the Samsungs, they've become a sandwich board, so learning how to separate them successfully without causing damage is definitely something that you should know, so check that video out. I also went over how to replace a charge port. Now, the one that I did is a Lenovo laptop, but the same techniques basically apply to any soldered port, whether it's another laptop, whether it's a gaming console, if it's an HDMI port, a charge port, whatever it is. So I give a bunch of tips and tricks, so definitely take the time to go through and watch that video, as I did kind of a part 1 and a part 2, and I might even put out a part 3 or combine, because I didn't really finish the entire repair in the video. I might just throw all of that and make it condense it into one video. Let me know in the comments below if you'd prefer for me to just compact everything and make a shorter video, or if you just like to see a part 3, kind of a completion of that repair. One of the things that I've been getting a lot of requests about is water damage and data recovery, so probably going to cover that this week. And I want to hear from you guys. What would you like to see more of? Let me know in the comments below if you have any requests or questions. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you this week for more videos.